Okay, see question number 5. If the domain of the function f of x is equal to log of 2x minus 3 by 5 plus 4x to the base e plus sine inverse of 4 plus 3x by 2 minus x is closed interval alpha and to open interval beta, then what is the value of alpha square plus 4 beta? This question is asked in JEE 3rd April 2025 first shift. Answer is 4. Okay, see, for finding domain, see what domain input we can give there. Why? Because see, log input should not be less than 0 or equal to 0, it should be greater than 0. That means shall I write like this? You see 2x minus 3 by 5 plus 4x should be greater than 0. See here, two conditions we have to take. Why? Because see, numerator and denominator both should be positive, greater than 0. And the numerator is also negative, denominator is also negative. Then also both are going to get cancelled and it is going to become positive. See, first I am taking both positive. That means see, 2x minus 3 also greater than 0 and 5 plus 4x also greater than 0. Okay? I am taking this. If that is the case, see how I am changing this. 2x should be greater than 3 and x should be greater than 3 by 2. Okay? And 4x should be greater than minus 5 and x should be greater than minus 5 by 4. Okay, this is one case. Naturally, we will take x should be greater than 3 by 2. X should be greater than minus 5 by 4. We can avoid. It will cover both. Okay, now see, both less than this thing I am going to take. See how I am taking. Now, I can say 2x minus 3 also less than 0. And 5 plus 4x also less than 0 if I take. What will happen? Both are going to become negative, going to get cancelled out, and positive and log we can give. See, this is the case. 2x should be less than 3 and x should be less than 3 by 2. And 4x should be less than 5. X should be less than 3. X should be less than 3. 4x should be less than minus 5. Okay, minus 5 of 4. Here also see, 2x should be less than 3. X should be less than 3 by 2. Okay, but 4x should be less than minus 5. And x should be less than minus 5 by 4. Okay? Here also I am boxing this. Okay? Okay. See, these two values we will take for first function, log function. Now go for here also. That also we have to see. Okay? Let us see that also. Sine inverse. That means see, that function should be 4 plus 3x by 2 minus x should be equal to also will be there here. Okay? Equal to also. Minus 1 to plus 1. This value should be. Okay? We know very well. Then shall I say x minus 2, 4 plus 3x, 2 minus x. See, two conditions we have to take here. Why? Because see, first you have to take this x minus 2 and this. See how I am taking. X minus 2 is less than or equal to 4 plus 3x. 3x is bigger, you send this side, 2x. Minus 6. Minus 6, 2x. Minus 3, x. Or else x is greater than or equal to minus 3. Okay, this is one condition. Minus 3. Okay. Now go for this condition, second condition. Second condition is see, 4 plus 3x should be less than or equal to 2 minus x. If that is the case, you send x this side, that means that is going to become 4x. And 2 minus 4, minus 2. And x should be less than or equal to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Okay, now all values you have got. What you have to do, simply you have to put on the real number line. Just to put on the real number line. Okay. See, minus infinity to plus infinity, in between 0 is also there. Okay, what are the points? Okay, first negative side I am seeing. Negative side minus 3 is here, minus 3. Minus 1 by 2 minus greater than 1, this is minus 5 by 4. Then I will write minus 5 by 4 first, then minus 1 I will write here, minus 1 by 2. Why? Because see, minus 5 by 4 means this is minus side greater than 1. This is less than 1, minus 1. Okay? That means less than means greater. Minus 1, then minus 2, minus 3, like that it goes this side. Okay? Minus this over, this over, this over, negative side. Go for positive side. Positive side is, see, 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Okay? Write down 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means less than 1. 3 by 2. Only 3 by 2, that's all. 3 by 2 less than 3 by 2. That's all. Okay? Let us see now. See, first you have to consider these two. If you consider these two, greater than means it goes up to infinity. Minus 5 by 4 greater than means I will take 3 by 2 only. Greater than 3 by 2 only. Why? Because I don't want to take this minus 5 by 4. 3 by 2 to infinity plus infinity. Open interval only here. Here open interval both. Okay? Don't forget. Okay. Next, these two conditions. Both negative. Both negative is less than 3 by 2, less than minus 5 by 4. See, when less than 3 by 2 and less than minus 5 by 4 means, see, I will take minus 5 by 4 less than. That means, see, I will take this up to negative infinity. Okay? Okay, now come back here. We have to see now these two values. See, x is greater than or equal to minus 3 up to infinity. That means here I am going to write like this, minus 3 to up to infinity. But you see, infinity may be open interval, but minus 3 is closed interval here. Minus 3 is closed interval. Now, less than minus 1 by 2. Less than minus 1 by 2 means this one. Equal to minus 1 by 2 less closed interval minus infinity. Okay, now where we have to see? See, where all are, what we can say? This thing, see, shall I say minus 3 to minus 5 by 4? Shall I say like this? See, x belongs to minus 3 to minus 5 by 4. See, minus 3 is closed interval. Minus 5 by 4 is open interval. Okay, that is equal to alpha is equal to minus 3. Then what is beta? Beta is equal to minus 5 by 4. Okay. Now what they are asking? They are asking alpha square plus 4 beta. Alpha square plus 4 beta. Alpha square means 9. Don't put plus y because here minus is there. Or else plus you keep 4 into minus 5 by 4. See, 4 going to get cancelled out. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 will be your answer. Let us go for next question.